How to share your calendar availability in order to book a meeting with Revenue Inbox. When you set up a meeting, instead of handpicking time slots you want to suggest, there is a very convenient option to share with your invitees all availability within your work hours from your calendar and let them choose what suits them the best. Where do you change your work hours in your email client? In Outlook, go to File, Options, Calendar tab, and in Work Time area is where you can change it according to your schedule. A little bit below, you may also change time zone of your email client. By default, it's what your computer is set up to. Now how you share it with your invitees. Start composing an email, add as many recipients as you want. Those in To field will be required to attend. Recipients in CC field will have optional attendance. Add subject and body to your email. And when your email is ready, click Quick Send Availability button, and in few moments a compact link will be added to body of your message. You may change the text of the link if you want to, or leave it as it is, and send out the email. On the other end, your recipient receives the email, and when click on the link, Revenue Inbox web interface opens up in a new browser. On this page, invitees will see your available hours according to automatically pulled time zone, which they able to change via this drop-down. Then they choose a suitable time slot by clicking on it and confirming by typing in a name and an email. Once this message appears on invitee's screen, the meeting is set up. It will appear in your and your invitee's calendar automatically.